So if you could pursue any project you like scientific or communication based, doesn't matter, with no regard to money, resources, time, or anything, what project would you pursue?
That sounds nice. And I think I would go with a full-blown Hollywood blockbuster movie about molecular machines.
DNA synthesis.
State-of-the-art CGI and everything.
Nice.
So if you have a couple of tens of millions lying around, then
we'll make it happen. That podcast is eventually going to pay for that blockbuster.
There we go. Yeah, I was trying to think as soon as you said Hollywood blockbuster, I'm like, what do we have out there that
we have a recent Hollywood movie with an unbalanced centrifuge.
Oh, don't get me started with that. I know. Ryan, I almost said Reynolds. Sorry, Gosling, my darling. I'm not going to say that broke my spirit, but I did see that in like a little clip. And someone was like, Sam, you have to watch this. It's got aliens and biology. And I was like, cool. And I'm like, but the centrifuge, what's going on here? Like, what'd you do that for? My suspension of disbelief. But no, the only movie that came to my mind, I don't know if you've seen it, is it's called Osmosis Jones. It's a little cartoon.
What?
From like 2001. Oh my God. Osmosis Jones. I don't know if you ever saw this movie.
Can't say I have.
Does that ring a bell? No. Well, this is your homework. See, look, we got Bill Murray, Chris Rock. But it's we'll go with sort of immunological in its scientific base. But
you know what the first Google question, like when you Google something, it gives you like other people have Googled this. And the top one is, why was Osmosis Jones that bad?
Oh, no. Yeah, because I really can't think of any other. Oh, I guess what's the one with the viral outbreak? Why can't I think of the name of that?
Oh, with Brad Pitt?
No.
Is it that one?
No. See, I'm just going to keep thinking of terrible movies.
Isn't there one that is just called Outbreak?
Yes!
Yeah.
There it is. Oh my God. It's just called Outbreak. Yes, that's the one. Oh my God. Yeah. No, I can't really put my finger on any other movies.
I mean, science is always featured in like CSI and all, where they like zoom in onto a piece of DNA and then you see like those blobs wobbling around and they go like, we got the murderer.
Yeah.
I think a couple of years ago there was one show that was centered around the molecular biology lab. I'm not sure if it was forensic, but it was a bit more realistic, but I don't think it made it very far. I don't remember the name. And also a couple of years ago there was a German show about biohacking. But these things, I think they don't make it, they don't live longer than the first season. So
yeah, nobody likes realism.
No. But I know a couple of people who are studying molecular biology due to CSI.
I think the one thing that always bugged me about CSI the most is when they have like very grainy, pixelated security cam footage and then they zoom in and it's perfectly clear. Like,
enhanced.
that is not how this works.
No.
Oh, that's funny. The part that always would get me in those shows, especially now looking back at them, is it's where they like stick something in like a machine and it's going to tell them like what it is. It's like a MS type setup and they just like pop it in there and they're like, oh, this is polyester and they bought it at whatever place. And I'm like, no. Like, where was the like 4 hours of prep time for this? What are we doing here?
Yes.
We got to wrap this show in like 5 minutes.
One machine.
Like,
yeah.
What do you mean we got this done in 5 seconds? No.
I need those sequencing results now. Okay, yeah. I have it ready in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they have 5 grains of sand and immediately know from which part of the country.
Of course.
With a 1 kilometer radius or something.
Yeah.
Every particle of sand is unique.
And everything is documented. So every country is perfectly documented.
For sure, yeah.